best luxury large car for 2025 to 2024 Porsche Panamera. As the automotive world shifts its focus to electrification and advanced technology, the 2024 Porsche Panamera has solidified its position as the best luxury large car for 2025. With its perfect blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge features, the Panamera continues to set the benchmark in a highly competitive segment. Unparalleled performance. The 2024 Porsche Panamera offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver's preference, from the robust V6 engine in the base model to the exhilarating V8 in the Panamera Turbo S. Porsche has also enhanced its plug-in hybrid options, combining eco-conscious driving with the thrill of high performance. The Turbo S e-hybrid variant, for instance, delivers a staggering 690 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the market. Refined luxury and craftsmanship. Inside the 2024 Panamera, Porsche has continued its tradition of meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is a showcase of premium materials, including supple leather, high-quality wood, and sleek metal accents. The design is both driver-focused and luxurious, offering an intuitive layout that enhances the driving experience. Comfort is paramount, with plush seating that includes extensive adjustability, heating, and cooling functions. The rear seats are equally luxurious, making the Panamera an excellent choice for those who prefer to be chauffeured in style. Cutting-edge technology. The Panamera is equipped with Porsche's latest infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen with crisp graphics and responsive controls. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a range of connectivity options. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and night vision, ensure that the Panamera not only delivers exhilarating performance but also keeps safety at the forefront. Conclusion. With its unmatched blend of performance, luxury, and technology, the 2024 Porsche Panamera stands as the definitive choice for luxury large car buyers in 2025. It's a car that exemplifies Porsche's commitment to excellence, making it the top contender in its class.